Right then, on the beach detecting. This is Long Rock Beach, which is a council run beach, which means I can detect here according to their website. It runs all the way along down towards Penzance. However, you can't detect past the river, which is up here, up this way somewhere. There's a river goes out into the sea. You can't detect past there because that's private. So that is my background for today. I have probably 2 hours of light, maybe 2.5 hours of light. I'm out with a manticore with the 11-inch coil, so enjoy. See at the first hole. You never know, we might find something nice, but then again we might not. There is another detectress in the background. Enjoy, see at the first hole. Right, got a 70. Let me just put that on for you. Sitting on the surface basically. 70, 71. Got a pound coin. Just sitting on the surface. Right on the tide line. There you go. First coin. First target, first coin. Right, it's a 7/8. I wouldn't normally dig 7/8s, but because of the location where I am, I'm going to be digging most targets, because you just never know. Right, it's out. It's in the scoop. Is it just a bit of tin, or is it something worthwhile? Yeah, just a bit of tin. Yeah, just a bit of tin. Just a 40, quite deep down. There's the hole, big spoil out. It's only a bit of tin. Tin's a bit of tin. There you go. All right, 14, 15. Occasionally a 12, occasionally a 16. I expect it's going to be a bit of tin. I did want to fly a drone down here today as well. I didn't realise that the airport was so close. Never mind. Oh. I think that'll be it. Yeah, it's out. Just a bit of tin. Never mind. Not to worry. Another bit of tin. It's out. Is it a bit of tin? Is it a bit of tin? Or is it going to be something else? It's a bit of aluminium. Piddly little bit of aluminium. There you go. It's in the mid to late 60s. Occasionally goes into the 70s. So, is it a pile of poo? Yeah, just a bit of tin. Bit of aluminium, sorry. Tin, I keep saying tin. Just a bit of aluminium. Alright. Oh, you can't see, can you? What's that? 10, 12. 13 inches down. I can show it this side. It's just a dog tag. I can't show the other side because it's got the phone number on it. But yeah, didn't show the whole dig because it was giving off different numbers and different signals. So I wasn't too sure if it was actually going to be a pile of rubbish or whether it was going to be something decent. But yeah, I'll try and get it back to the owner. Can't guarantee, but I will try. One dog tag. 53, 54. Bit of tin, I think. Yeah, bit off of a brake, I think. Yeah, brake caliper. Or brake lever, I should say, for holding your brake cable, gear cable, etc. in. There you go. Right. These in the 30s. 20 pence a piece. There's the hole. Can't remember what it was. 30 something. Yeah, 38 to 40. So there you go. 38 to 40. Right, we've got 58. 58, 59. Looks like someone's been sitting here with a fire. That's in the scoop. That's fishing weight. Fishing weight. Oh, it's a 13, 15. I turned you on because it might be a bit of jewellery. I might be wrong. No, I'm wrong. It's just a metal band, not jewellery. Never mind. Not to worry. 52, 53. 53, 54. Tide's coming in quite fast. And I'm losing light rapidly. Oh, it's fishing weight. Just a fishing weight. Numbers are all over the place. 38, 39. £20 a piece. Got a rusty signal as well. This is probably why it was all over the place. A bit of bottle top. Oh no. 5 pence a piece. 5p. Oh, I'm balancing you on top of my scoop. Well, what can I say? In fact, I'm going to turn it around because I want you to see the scenery. If you can see the scenery, that is. Right, if I stand like that, you should be able to see. There's St Michael's Mount. Is it that way? That way? There, St Michael's Mount. Well, not the best dig in the world, or not the best beach in the world for me today. I did get £1.45. Got a few bits of trash as well. But met another metal detectorist with a chat, which was nice. So hopefully he might be following me. Fingers crossed. But yeah, really enjoyed it, to be fair. As I say, wasn't the best beach for me, but during the summer it must be absolutely packed here, I would have thought. Absolutely packed. So yeah, thanks for joining me, and see you on the next one. Thanks a lot.